excuse me. Hello. Yeah. The pillows. Hello people, how are you guys doing and stuff like that? Yay! We're back at my house. We are back at my mom's place. Welcome to my vlog. I promised you guys consistency, so here I am delivering consistency at the best quality too. Like, excuse me, hello. Yeah. So yeah, welcome to my vlog. I don't really have an intro yet, like a proper one. I thought I did have one, but I guess I don't. So I will try to work on curating a good intro that is suitable for me and you guys would love it. I'm about to open schools on Monday, so I decided to come here to just take all mama's love in. She's not here yet, she's gone to South Africa. I don't know if you guys do know or don't know, but my mom uses my room as a storeroom. So every time I come to Moshupa, I sleep in the lounge. My beautiful, spacious, pretty room is being used as a storage room, as an everything room. Like I understand I don't stay here that long or often. I don't come here as often because but still, mom, my room better look good for when I come here. I want to sleep in my comfortable space. Why do I need to sleep at the lounge, girl? Yeah, so we are about to clean it, and I hope when I come back here it's as clean, spotless as I've left it. Mama, I know you're watching this. You hear me? You hear me, girl? Girl, you hear me? Welcome to my vlog, and I hope you guys do enjoy, and I hope that you will be pressing that subscribe button, that comment, like button, and you will share to all of your friends that we got Tracy right over here, we got Twara right over here. She's a Motswana YouTuber and she's doing good. So come, please, give me to 500 subscribers, please. Let me stop yapping and get on with cleaning. I don't want to bore all you guys. I just removed a couple of things from my bedroom, and let me show you guys. This is my bed situation. I removed stuff. There was stuff here. That TP over there is actually a swing chair. I'm gonna take it from there to my mom's balcony. This is my mom's old headboard. Renal stuff in my room, by the way. Senior stuff that we don't use anymore. Should I take it together? It's too big for, yeah, it's too big. It's too big. But if it wasn't too big, I would have taken it to the guests. We also have a deep freezer, guys. Nithi ngenze njani ngalezi zinto? Izinto lezi nithi ngenze njani? Ngithini ngazo?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not what I want. It's some me time. But you know what you want. By the beach like Odell.
It's things, what you call it? It needs the pillows, for comfort. So in the morning the sun is right there. Most of the day it's sunny, so it's only at times like these where you get some shade, so she can make use of those times. Let's just hope people won't see it, because we stay at the bottom. Those kids are making noise. Everything that was in my bedroom. See these chairs? That of his chair. These chairs. Everything here. Everything here. Everything here. These things in my bedroom. Let me show you. In my bedroom. I don't know where I'm gonna put them. Tusani, Now I'm tired. Ke lapile wa go tsola ke lapile mo lapa la bojang mo lapa bojang wa itse. So I'm very tired. I'm gonna charge my phone while watching some YouTube vlogs and watching Unica and eat my rice. Yeah. Hi guys, how are you guys doing and stuff like that? It's a new day. It's a Saturday today. I just woke up. I woke up very late actually because I slept very late as well. You know, I was cleaning my room. I actually did manage to clean it. I like cleared around my bed and everything and just, you know, but I'm not done. I still have to sweep and mop. No, I still need to sweep. No, I still need to mop. I still need to mop and like do my bedding, you know, like do my bed, and finally tonight I'll be sleeping in my bed, but it's gonna be only for one day because I'm going back to Gaps tomorrow, Sunday morning, and I'm opening schools on Monday. I'm gonna be starting my year 4, my final year, you guys, like so yeah, yeah, now I wanna wash my face. Now I wanna take a bath. Now I wanna take a bath and go to the shops to go get a few things. My mom is on the way. I wanna cook so that when they get here they just eat, but I know they pretty like eating right now on the way, you know. So this was in my room actually. It was in my bedroom. I was like, I don't need this in my bedroom, so let me just see what to do with it. So it's in my bathroom.
Now my picture Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
I think I wanna do like a foot rub / foot massage later on in the evening when we're like relaxed, chilled. Yeah. And also, I'm not in the mood to like do my hair, get it all fixed, look good and stuff now. So I'm just gonna put this spooky over, take my bag, go to the shops.
like a flame from the past. Dark in the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I'm on the deep.
Parents were pranking me and they're here. Nah, I rata ka halo tshameka ka teng tota. I tsere le tshameka bosigo. Ke bile tsere le pranka. I bile la di.
fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You fucking warm with my heart, didn't think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Never wanna drown. And we know you'll be telling me how to fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in sand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let control. Got me questioning what you've done for me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, but it's necessary. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You starting warm with my heart, didn't think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
Is that yours?
Thank you so much.
If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what you're loving me, boy. Me up and let me go. You know I wanna be around. You starting warm with my
I'm just gonna let my feet soak and scrub them, massage them, exfoliate and all of that, you know. And then I'll just go to sleep. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys, and everything. Today I'm waking up in my bed finally, but it is the last day, like the only day I'm sleeping in my bed today. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to sleep in it again, but yeah. So I just woke up. I have to go take a shower, a bath. But I woke up late. I actually woke up on time, and then I decided to snooze. But then I don't know what happened. I was supposed to wake up at 5, or at least half 5. Right now the time is half 6. Half 6. I was supposed to catch a bus and be in gaps by 8. I guess I'm gonna catch a 7 o'clock bus. So now I'm gonna go and bath. Let me wake up, make up this bed, go bath, and go. Cause I already packed everything. So I'm just gonna take a bath, get ready, ask my mom to go put me at a stop and go.
He was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. All the while, I wait for my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. But there's always inside. Good living in my mind. Hold me on my feet.
Okay, so I'm ready to go now. I think I'm just gonna put this hood over my head. It looks cold. Whew. But yeah, I hope I'm not forgetting anything. I have my charger. And I think everything else was in the bag. Now let's go.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end?
I'm actually gonna start my final year tomorrow, guys. How do I feel about that? I don't know. But yeah, my mom is waking up, so she's gonna drop me off at the bus stop. They're actually coming to Gaps today. We're gonna attend my church together this time around, but I have to go first because I have a client at 8. Let me actually text her right now and tell her to make it 9 because I woke up late. Yeah. And I don't work on Sundays, by the way. I don't work on Sundays. I just did this, what do you call it? Exception for her because we've been rescheduling, and today's the only time that both her and I have. So I was like, I don't work on Sundays, but you know, yeah, just come through.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
I've been waiting for my mom for so long, dog. The time is 20 past 11. Church started at 11. I called my mom at 1 past 11. She's like, wait a bit. Mama, almost in John. You know time. And it's the first time I thought and she does this. Like, she woke up very early. But I'm so late thinking.